Say hello to the Standard Berkeley, a student accommodation where life is like a luxurious vacation every day. These charming studios and opulent 1 to 5 bedroom apartments feature a cozy bed, comfy study corner, spacious wardrobe, and an in-unit washer and dryer. Don't worry about water, electricity, gas, and Wi-Fi. Everything's included in your rent. Hit the state-of-the-art fitness center, then head to the academic lounge or computer lab to study smarter. Take a break with a round of pool or avail the shuffleboard, then enjoy sizzling barbecue from the grilling station. Unwind with the outdoor TV, warm up by the fire pit, or relax in the courtyard to end the day. Pets welcome. Roommate matching offered. And on-site management plus maintenance available. Living here is a blast. You're just minutes away from the University of California and Wright Institute, so campus is always within easy reach. Explore the city and beyond with the buses on Bancroft Way and Durant Avenue, or the subway from downtown Berkeley. Come, live better and brighter at the Standard Berkeley. Book now via amberstudent.com.